Listen up, my jolly crew. I'm Captain Colorwave. Well, let's keep it casual. Just call me Joe. Before I became a time-traveling adventurer, I was an 18th century artist. I was capturing the beauty of the high seas. And out of nowhere, wham and a bam, a rock storm rolled in, and whoosh, a vortex grabbed us like a whirlpool of destiny. I waked up. But where am I? It's the future. A place more puzzling than a cubist painting. And guess what? The adventure's just getting started. So ready with your pencils and ready with the paint. And let's make some waves in art and time. Captain Colorwave. Oh, Joe. Welcome aboard my jolly crew. It's a Captain Colorwave. Oh, Joe. You know what? We're still stuck. Stuck in Sydney Harbour. Gertrude, okay, I know the anchor's still stuck. The anchor's still stuck. What's that? There's a man. He's throwing something. It's not a ball. What? He's flying under the rainbow, spinning around, spinning, back in his hands. What is it? What is it? It's a what? A boomer what? A boomerang. Boomerang. He throws and it comes back. He throws. Wow, boomerang. It's like a shape like this. Like an arch with another arch and join down the sides like that. Can you do that? You can do that. And it has a design. Diagonal. This is vertical line. This is horizontal line. This is vertical. Diagonal is what we want. Diagonal line. So they go like this. Yes, throwing it again. Yes, that's it. Look at that. Yes, it has diagonal line design. Boomerang! He's throwing it again. But wait. How you spell that? Thank you, Gertrude. Look at this. Boom. Anger. Boomerang. And there you are. Gertrude, what now? What are you drawing? Gertrude trying to draw boomerang. Yeah, sure. Wait a minute. Gertrude, wait. Just wait. Wait your turn. Oh. Gertrude. You're losing your feathers. Again. I saw one. Last time I was 3. Oh, what is this? Look at this. Gertrude did the diagonal lines, but she made them thicker. You see this? Look. Dark line. This one's the same, but opposite. Where black is black, white is white. Beautiful. Okay. Not as good as mine, but beautiful, yeah? Oh no, Gertrude. Yes, okay. The third boomerang, yeah? What does it have? It's got the colors of the rainbow. The red, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, the indigo, the violet. Repeat it time and again. Look, beautiful boomerang. Huh, what's this one? That's not a rainbow. It's a what? Warm colors. Warm colors. Orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow. Repeat, look at that. Repeat pattern. Beautiful. Beautiful. And has a meaning because it's a worm, yeah? Feeling warm, and he's a rainbow. Feel like a rainbow. Wow, beautiful. But mine's better. What do you think, my jolly crew? Seriously. Mine's better, yes? Okay, I'll see. Hang on, Gertrude, you have more. Okay, Gertrude, here we go. Gertrude, she's a smarty. She's a done complementary colors. Yellow and purpley blue. You didn't get the purple quite right, but pretty nice. Then you have a blue and an orange. Also complementary. They opposite sides of the color wheel. When you see color wheel, you'll know. You see it. Blue and orange. Opposite. It goes together well. And then you have a green and a red. Green and a red. That's also what? That's correct. Complementary colors. Beautiful. Ha, that's it. Oh no, here we go. She got, here we go. See he, the smarty duck. Smarty duck gives a warm, yeah, remember this one, a warm one? And she gives us a cool color one, cool. That's a cool color boomerang. Pretty crafty duck, but mine's a better. What do you think? You know what? Gertrude, she cannot spell. She cannot spell boomerang. You see? You see? Something she cannot do, but she knows how to draw. She's a start, a beginner, but mine's a better, no? What do you think? Let us know when you get the chance. Captain Giovanni Colorwave, at your service. Thank you, my jolly crew. But wait, there's some more. We have to get the funny one, huh? Welcome back, my jolly crew. Captain Giovanni Colorwave, or Joe, is here for funny times. Funny times with a boomerang look, huh? We do a boomerang. Remember how we do? We do an arch. We start off with an arch up here. And then we draw, that's correct, another arch under here. But this time, we're going to look at it a little different. We're going to make it funny, yeah? Because Gertrude, she never does funny. Never. A big gap here. Give it eyes, the big eyes. Like the kangaroo. Yes, like that. Then we give it a little bit of a bigger smile. Give it teeth. And it's smiling. Hang on, we give it eyebrows. Why not? Eyebrows look good. Hey, happy boomerang. You know what you could say? Instead of saying hello, you say happy boomerang. Think it works? Maybe. And maybe not. Then we do the diagonal lines like this. Like before. Look at that. We have a happy boomerang. You know, Gertrude, she's a warm boomerang, a rainbow boomerang, a cool boomerang, a big boomerang, little boomerangs, all sorts of boomerangs. But she doesn't have a funny one. But now you say a funny, what's this? Okay, if a boomerang moves, it spins around. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be cheeky. We do two lines like this, and the two lines like that. It looks like the boomerang move. Huh? That's cheeky. That's fun. That's a funny boomerang from Captain Giovanni Colorwave for my crew. Thank you.